Hello sir, this is our app rotalx. This is the user app and this is the rotalx driver, and now we are making a taxi booking and we are showing you why we need the background location permission. So this is the rotalx user app, this is the rotalx driver app. So now let me do a booking and show you why we need the location background permission. This is the user app, this is the driver app. And now I will add the login credential. The ID password to login I have already shared you, and here you can see location and call permission required. rotalx app collects location data to make driver available in your area to provide taxi services so that the driver can receive new notification for taxi booking and more even when the app is closed or not in use. So here we are explaining that we need location background services. If we do not allow location background permission, then our application, which is a taxi app, will not be able to accept new taxi booking. Now I will click on allow, and now I will allow all the permissions. Remember, if we do not allow this permissions, our application will not go ahead, as it's a taxi application. So the driver need to have location background permission. So even when the app is closed or not in use, he can receive location permission services. So he can receive new taxi bookings. So any taxi booking request do not get missed. So now let me show you how taxi booking works in our taxi app, rotalx app. So this is the user app, this is the driver app. Now he is online. I'll make a taxi booking now. I'll choose a pickup and drop location. I will choose the vehicle type. I will choose seat. And that is how a user is making booking. And yeah, that is how a driver, a provider is receiving the booking. Now I will click on accept, and that is how a driver will accept the booking. And now let's assume the driver has reached to the customer location. He will click on mark as pickup. So the trip has been started. Now let's assume you have reached to your destination. So click on slide to end trip. And yeah, the trip has been completed. And now you can give a 5-star rating to the provider, and the provider will collect the payment from you. And that is how our taxi booking is working in rotalx app. And now let me show you what will happen if I do not take location background permission in the rotalx app. So let me remove the app from history. And now I am clicking on the driver app icon. You can see this is the driver app. And now I click on login. I enter the credential, and this time we are not going to take location background permission, and see what happens. And now this is showing again location and call permission required. rotalx app collects location data to make driver available in your area to provide taxi services so that the driver can receive new notifications for taxi booking and more even when the app is closed and not in use. If I don't click on here, you can see application is not going everywhere. And now I click on allow, And if I cancel this now, if I do not give permission, my application will not go ahead. If I again click on allow and if I click on cancel, the application will not go ahead. Now if I click on allow all and if I give all the permission, only then my application will go ahead. So that is why we need the location background permission in this app. If we do not give the location background permission, the application driver app will not be able to accept any taxi booking for the application. And now you can see the driver app is open and now he can accept new taxi bookings. Now we will make him online. And that is how a taxi booking working in our rotalxapp driver, and that is why we need the location background permission. If we try to book a taxi again, this is the user app. I just made a taxi booking and you can see the provider has received a booking successfully like this. And that is why we need the location background permission, so the driver can accept taxi booking request from his nearby users whenever a new taxi booking request is made. If we do not allow this location background permission in the rotalxapp, then if a driver is having any booking nearby his location, he won't be able to accept it and he won't be able to receive a new booking. If you have any query, you can directly mail us so we can help you the best. Thank you.